Hello students, today I am going to start the second part of the chapter Lost Spring, the stories of stolen childhood. As you know, this stories are written by Anish Jan, and in the second part you will see a character whose name is Mukesh. Mukesh lives in Firozabad. Firozabad is an Indian city which is very famous for its bangle making and the quality of the so fantastic bangles. And the whole city makes bangles for the women of all over world. Okay, and in that city there is a boy whose name is Mukesh. Mukesh has a dream. He wants to drive a car. And this is the title of the second part. I want to drive a car. Anish Jan meets with this boy Mukesh and talks to her. Okay? He talks to him. And Mukesh explains everything. Mukesh just behaves like a guide, and he takes Anish Jan to the different corner of the city, and Anish Jan meets with the people who lives in Firozabad. Student, this part is giving you the sense. This part is giving you the reality of the poor people, the web of poverty, especially the people who are engaged in the very lower class lifestyle and the job and the profession, and you will see the danger condition. You will see the danger and unhealthy conditions of the glass industry. Yeah, glass industry, because bangles are made with the glass, and especially these kind of industries takes the children for the work. Imagine this thing, that the small children are working in a hot condition, so hot condition, and in a dark area, because there is no space for any kind of light, because the hot furnaces are just burning and the glasses are just melting, and the young kids, the kids of 10 to 15 years old, they are engaged in this kind of activity. Okay, so this part is giving you the sense of the web of poverty, that how the people are helpless and they are doing the job which is taking their life at the risk. Okay, so Mukesh family is the family of the bangle makers. And in this story, you will see the custom and the tradition of the Indian woman, because Mukesh's sister-in-law, in means bhabhi, Mukesh ki bhabhi. Okay, Miss Mukesh's sister-in-law is not so older, but she is behaving like a bahu of the house. Okay, she has no dream. She is just engaged in the household work, and she just puts the veil all time on her head. And when the older come in the house, when the older people come in the house, okay, she drags the veil till their nose. That means she covers the half part of the face. So the condition of this kind of middle class people and not so middle class, in this chapter the working class, especially the poor class people, are being represented through the through the author. Okay, so the people of this kind of working class have no means of enjoyment, because they are engaged in the difficult lifestyle, difficult job, which are just taking their risk of the life. Okay, working in a glass factory and the bangle factory is not the easy job, and especially the young kids are engaged in this kind of job, and till the whole life they continue this job. You know, working in a Bengal factory can take your eyesight, eyesight, yeah, can take your eyesight. And Mukesh's father is blind because he had spent his whole life in the Bengals factory. Even so many people in Firozabad of elder age, okay, adult age, are blind because they are working from their childhood in the glass factory, and they have they have just wasted their life. They have just spoiled their eyesight working in the glass factory. Actually, it happens. Okay, so working in the this kind of job is not the easy and is not the healthy condition for the people. Okay, when you will read the chapter, you will see an incident in which a girl is demonstrated. A young girl is working with their family, and she is just making the bangles. Okay, in some time she will be married, and she will behave like the Mukesh's what sister-in-law. Okay, she is thinking about the condition that what she is going to receive in her life. Student, one more thing. The writer Anish Jung talks about the organization of the work with the group of the youth. कुछ लड़कों के ग्रुप्स के साथ अनीश जन talks about the organization and unification of the bangle making workers. Then she gets a report that if the people of the bangle making organize themselves and they will create a group like a union, then the police, the middleman means the person who are buying the bangles from the bangle makers and selling them to the shopkeepers, they are the middlemen. So the police, bangle middlemen, bureaucrats, politicians, official groups, everyone will be opposite of the bangle makers. They will not support them. Okay, even the policemen will beat them. Policemen will trap them in the false cases. Okay, that means everyone are just oppressing the people who are engaged in bangle making. So this is the social type chapter, social science type chapter. Okay, my advice, I always advise you कि आप लोग चैप्टर के हर एक लाइन को लाइन बाय लाइन पढ़ेंगे बिना किसी रुकावट के, और रीडिंग करने के बाद यू विल गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन, एनफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू राइट द आंसर. ओके, वेरी सिंपल लैंग्वेज यू विल हैव. पूरा स्टोरी बहुत सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है. यू कैन गेट इजिली द ऑल फैक्ट्स. देयर इज नथिंग टू बी सो सीरियस एंड सो ड्रामेटिक. ओके, the full story is given in the present tense, simple present tense. Okay, there is not anything in this part. There is not anything related with the past tense, so you will easily understand the chapter. The whole chapter is written in the style of live reporting. Okay, because Anish Jan was the reporter also, so she has done the whole chapter in the live reporting style. And if you can feel, then you will feel the pain for this kind of people. This is enough for today's class. Okay, in the next class I will give you the theme and the special thing related with this two part. The first part, the part of Sahibe Alam, and second part, the part of Mukesh. I will give you the theme and the special thing that is related with this chapter, which will help you to do the long answer questions. Okay, this is enough for today. Today I am going to give you the answer of the last class question and Also, I am giving you some questions related with this part. I want to drive a car. This is enough for today. I think you will read the chapter and you will understand. And if you have any type of doubts, you can call me before 6 o'clock in the evening, and you can WhatsApp me also. Okay? Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. Have a nice day.